Mami ma akwaba emfa obra Ghana and TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video, be say you will send baby. Ebusia and then kind of say your friend is saying Dr. Casiel ato forson. I can already media budget review. Or parliament. Now Ebusia, in as much as NDC would want us to believe, say good news is coming. Ebusia, Ukrainian say there's no good news. There is no good news. The same old settings are Ghanaians are growing used to now. And that Ghanaians are growing tired of. So same settings now never be continuing. There is absolutely no good news whatsoever. No good news. Udi nkrofoka, it's a bet you are you have this kind of more soppy, anything substantial. Go and speak to nurses. Any teacher for na bind your muka. Anka, you would expect say because government is owing, government was going to pay in bulk, and the ABS ask about bulk, no so wait me that Japan the ABS and say project be no there. But instead say buying this kind of more up for in bulk, no. After them divided no 2 months, 3 months, 2 months, 3 months. Access kind of microphone. And reading the kind of say the media budget review. Nothing to show for, just say the only thing I end is for celebrating is say omunkwa kwaji loan and would be to a senior free senior school. So end is for mu ferry idea cry. Free senior high school that Akufo-Addo MPP are buying. Use your internal generated monies. The funding no. End is for the omunkwa kwaji loan. Create, loot, and share. Create, loot, and share. Say yes, sir. Tell me why for 7 years of Akufo-Addo, because free senior high school started here, 2017. In fact, 8 years of Akufo-Addo. Some way, somehow, we always got money to finance free senior high school. Yankwa koji loan biya. Na mu de mabano. Say this and koji loan. Yes, explain to me. And the me they say Afenyo marking wa expose. Say media budget review with the shinim tiangrofo. Now ube ma media budget review. You find it. We're not paying people. We are owing people. First, we are Juma public sector buying. We are buying Juma good news. They say working in the public sector virtually, you don't have any respect for yourself because at the end of the month, we didn't know kuno and I say bush and for expect this also discover by you. First can by you. I didn't abandon you. And then Ukraine. Many public servants are becoming depressed. I didn't say you work for a whole month. When it is time for employer here buying to pay you, stories upon stories. Media budget review I'm already. What is the fate of cocoa farmers? Tell us what the fate of the cocoa farmers is. All these questions are unanswered. I'm my cocoa farmers haircut. I ain't tibida. We are winning, so the scar bet you so no. I don't know. Say after so I'm more haircut, maybe you scar bet you so. I don't know. Say and Japan marking say now the very ready winning now. Would the far release catch on call for say or release Camila Al-Hassan. Because Camila Hassan, what is a crime? A young mother of 3. A young mother of 3. These are what Ghanaians want you to work on right now as you're speaking, because we say economy need nothing. NOTHING, nothing. You deceive Ghanaians, you lied your way to power, and you are being exposed. Yeah.
Tell your government to free all political prisoners. Dr. forson. Tell your government to free all political prisoners. Wound to me deserve justice. Camilla Al-Azhar deserve justice. The MPs behind me that you have lined them up for persecution. Listen, you can decide to imprison every MP. It will not shut us down. We will criticize you. We will hold your feet to account and we'll make sure you account for every city you spend. But you know what? The good news is that you are on your way to opposition. You are on your way to opposition. So you should begin thinking. You should begin thinking deep. Because there in Sawam cells, in Sawam prison will not be locked up. It will open widely for you. It will swallow many of you. From what we are seeing in public procurement, your situation will be worse. So be careful, those of you who are comfortable. And finally, you claim you want a third term. Third term? Third term. You are not performing. You said third term. Forson, you are here presenting a budget. And beneath it is a third term agenda where you are going to spend money for people to be calling for third term. We are watching you with eagle eyes. Third term, focus on 24-hour economy.
Ghana for me church mama chimi mama ha me mama jo na me to so no bra yenya independence ye 1957 no if you kono ye ne abrofo no anya ntokwa bia because ye independence na ma yen anything correct where as ye can say Gokus asked for independence. Now 1957 no yensa kan no na esisa edino eba odisan Ghana ndi Kwame Nkrumah tumi ne bedi ne nsem no na nka ese oka nyina bomu na wanye ne saa ne kase ekoba se wo a wonye CPP ni no we enemy of the state say na medical aka no na wochichire won nyina gumu enti wachi won nyina gumu no na akoba se party bia ni ho a yetu challenge amano wahunu se ne we ye na ya na asenye ena wo mu edi na chiri nyina pantis nyina ye veranda boys ene kese ni obeka bia no omsi ye ti se ne ne mahama okan kwasem bia no mo ba be pe so kan se mo ye kwasiafo pe enti siko fans no etai edi won se Kwame Nkrumah chi na kase ni ope bia na woyo enti kodu ba bi na kase wochichire adisan position members ni na egumo no je bi dan kwane ma mutwa adisan etwa ticket man ba nyina wo nyina ne akonje no wo nyina eco prison detention ene wadi clear no ho se wo ye adisan president for life na for life na kase anya de ya bia be challenge no gisi wu na wo samre no se nke ye ntunu na wu ye so a na ne ba be manu na ebedi ade ti se na ene North Korea ebusuya ba ko omodo won mo ande wo mu na tumi no abedi won mo nsemo no enti ne na ene me koso ne nye satam no se election duru a montie na sopamu o election duru a opposition in the party no Kwame Nkrumah ne nkrofo no omo ye ne supporters no satam ne efro won mo odisan o mi ye fi odisan wo dini ne efro won mo action troopers enti no wo mutime the bomb ko opposition members no eden mo ne blase ba for koto ne dan na yegumura because ni achinatum ene kase wo halazi asante forsa kosi se satam no na kotoka ne afrifa kotukaye yangreni na fifa ya santini na entise na ene mahama to wonum nyina ye ndc fo no nti omu ze ne omano kono na kase entwa yi nti omano na kase wuko baabia saa dc fo no ena tumi no kura wonum na se himfo no amomudi mahama kire no mo se mo amobo nti mire bi bae ne kase Kwame Nkrumah dc fo na kuro bia so anase dc bia omu rule ni ombe kanu ena yesomu ohini bia ni ano election duru ha bra eye one party state no so obi a won free mo district ho kura na yedna begina ho na kase election kura no eye just camouflage before so mbeto abana wi na kase ya declare dada ya omina CP before majority any say minimum a the same style na kakra mahama wonam mu no opese wo declare Ghana one party state no lase nkati se nyese wonye na gwiso be declare one party state adenti na sisi wo harazi MPP for ya emra no se NDC ni efumwa emra no ni no tise tete no CPP emra no ni wo mo ne mo position party na emra edi wo mo Oba no womo omodi omansika no womo eko free no prosecution en wasante sa se ora wode eko pesika se womo anu wa bemu no womo ma abensika eseyi oforiata otanya wodi tani na ni se oba no tamo womo power no sika na mahama na moswa no mu wiani nyina wo petroleum station hono na se petroleum department wono obetua ni nyina no bon ya ka se o lodu petrol baby ade kono untimi ngo ka se wo ko da betia fa baby ana se dudu afa no okote so ana okoton no eno ba yo mu hu se wo munya ekwan emfaso no wo mli charge abo wo sen ufuriata ene sa contract na itimi monitor ye petrol no omo ye firi ho ane wo mu botom no mu digu se mahama o pese o declare Ghana one party state any plan inti no frase ya kese wo harazi MPP empanifo na se party no o pese o gu party no completely na wodi kind e free wuntumi so because wuntumi ena asante region na oha MPP for NDC for sese weni ho no wana be bodawru radio station be na be bodawru anase obeye campaign ama warsan MPP abronya susu wono obeye campaign anase obeka nekura wo mu nyina ne yekoso nyina no ene abronya wo hene sa miracle boaji onso be campaign ama bawubia no o hene ndi ba mba ne yekoban se mo hunu se o peso okotetem na nam se watimi a convince approach for ne soja for ne all concerned citizens ni na aka no atumo no eyi set satetem no obeko because election did wa violence to say Kwame Nkrumah the etam no tie no wona be wini antimi da me bomba se MPP for mo ya na mo kan se MPP be power MPP power mo pa yese nyame be mahama na gina sisana fair election aba entisa ne ko basa mo se mudumani to 2020 ya ebedi wono MPP panyin bia ni ho betumi abastand ye akomo ina atum oman ina anu atum eniti no senia omode violence take what saying a constitution in our word is saying 2024. The same thing number follow. No declare no home what is saying a one party state here. When in Ibrahim Kwana Kese, so man mutis kusua, Nyomo pen no more. So say, baby, a santifo interest will be a no was say ho. Baby a digger was she ho. Assassin Ebedoswa, Ebino, Garam say, Sano, go board so akodi what is saying on in and tem. And Timo santifo no more, Moody and this year, Mubo says actually what is saying, won't you know, Monam Kwasoba, Modianam Kwasoba. Says a, I'm never bano Santini, that's it. We be cry Harazuna police station, a place from Basa Bubiakan home. Because that's what the crew abatua Santene, other region at the same, other tribes in them. Namusamu say, other tribes no, Emudia in Omoda Santimine. Ya mo NDC for no, MPP for Mako di NDC chi. Mudimafu. Namude Momo say, Namosumre ebeba because Mahama opese Ashanti Kingdom no send kojo. Economically, omi ebumu enkotodwe na hiamu posoposo a mutumi no wahene. Enti wuntumi enye boni bia wo. Onye boni.